gamit nyo daw. Lalagay na natin sa...
I'm grateful to be back here in front of you all. First and foremost, I want to thank the Lord. Without Him, this sale would not have been possible. I also want to express my gratitude to our staffs and to our head, especially Sir Eugene, for their continuous guidance and support. This sale was truly unexpected. I remember it was lunchtime when my client walked in, and una pa lang, I sensed that this client was willing and ready to buy. So I knew that I had to be ready and prepared. It was also the time before this when I was struggling to make a sale. During that period, my colleagues and I were working twice as hard. And there were moments when I felt like giving up kasi nga, nakakapagod na. However, I always remind...
Baka di yan para sa'yo, sabi ko, kaya ko to, ilalaban ko to. And then dumating na yung ice break sale ko. That was the happiest feeling kasi I sold a 3-bedroom unit in BGC with 30% PP. And take note, my first sale was my first client na nakausap ko. Inulit ko talaga siya for 10 months. Lahat ng tinanim ko for 10 months, nagbunga. And nagtuloy-tuloy yung benta. And the rest is history. What I'm trying to say here is that if you want something, you need to do whatever it takes. You really need to work hard and always believe in yourself. You need to focus on your goals and focus on the blessings that you have. Do not let circumstances pull you down. I just want to share this quote lang from James Ron. Success is neither magical or mysterious.
Group for the month of May, with a total sale of 65.4 million. Let's give it up for Top Man from Kings.
This award, isa sa pinaka-importante factor nito, kaya top group kami, is because of the contribution of my two ASM, si Jairus and si Ram, and eventually si Tim din. So, ayun, salamat sa hard work nyo, sa, hindi lang sa buwan na to, at kung sa mga nakarang buwan, and yung effort nyo na makabenta. So, ayun, we believe in certain principles, like efficiency, consistency, discipline, etc. Pero what really important sa team namin yung heavily positive mindset. Yung pag di na namin kaya, we just walk away and relax.